And we believe, and I still believe, there is a fundamental change that will happen when everybody is one way or another programmer.
Was there any inflection point for you to leave Google back then to, hop into Web3? Like, did you, just decided I'm just gonna quit cold turkey to do this near thing? Or how did it happen? What's that story there?
My background is in machine learning, actually. So I was doing machine learning for about 10 years before blockchain. And so I actually left to start an AI company. So Alex and I, my co-founder, and I, we started Near AI, which was fast driving pretty much what now GitHub Copilot is. So we were trying to automate coding and kind of create coding tools for regular people. And we believe, and I still believe, there is a fundamental change that will happen when everybody is one way or another programmer. What we see right now is ChatGPT actually showcases that thesis. So that was 2017. We had the model, we had a lot of tools, but we actually had a lot of interesting data. So we built a crowdsourcing platform where we had students around the world, China, Russia, Ukraine, Poland, kind of countries where there's smart students, maybe not very well off. And we were engaging them to create data sets for us for their challenges we had. But we had a challenge. We had a challenge of paying all of those people around the world, because all of those countries, one way or another, have some capital control. Some people don't have bank accounts. Students generally have a very weird kind of setup. And we were trying to do it from US, which had its own challenges. And so we turned to blockchain to solve our own pain. And, blockchain sounded like a system, global payment system that should work, where you can program money. And so this was May 2018. This was already post-crash. And, it was a good time to start investigating. And it was still pretty hard to use, or very hard to use. It was very expensive for the use case we had. We were paying a few cents to 10, 20 cents per task. And so the transaction fees back then on Ethereum were 30 cents. So it was more than we were paying. And so we started looking around. It's hey, it cannot be that this is state of the art. So we started looking around. We looked at obviously all of the protocols that were launching back in 18, and none of them really tried to solve the problems we believed these systems had, which was kind of true scalability, something that can scale with the usage, and simplicity. And so that's where how we got it is hey, we have a problem that we would have used blockchain for. There's no blockchain that actually is secure enough, simple to use, and scalable. And so we're well, that's an opportunity for us to actually fill that.